It was the day when he lost his childhood. Now, coming to the third paragraph, Peter, in the third paragraph, again the poet has put the same very question. When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I chose, producing thought that were not those of other people but my own mind and mine own? Was that the day? In the third paragraph, the poet again put the same very question as to when he lost his childhood. And then he get the answer. He says that he realized when his mind was his own, when he can produce his own thought, maybe that was the day he lost his childhood. Okay. Again, coming to the third stanza, the paraphrase. The poet repeat the same question to know the day and the time when he lost his childhood. And then he gets the answer. Perhaps it was the day when he realized that his mind was really his own. He could use it the way he likes to choose. It can produce its own thought, which are not of others, but are entirely of his own. And perhaps it was the day when he realized that he had lost his childhood. In the last paragraph, the poet now he is totally satisfied that he has lost his childhood. But in the last paragraph, he wants to know as to where did he lose his childhood. So, where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that is hidden in an infant face. That all I know. Okay, in the last paragraph, the poet is anxious to know when he lost his childhood. Perhaps he realizes that it has gone to some forgotten place. All that he knows that his childhood is hidden in the face of an innocent child. Hence, childhood can be seen on the face of the child. So this was the poem, beta. Now coming to the extract. So this is stanza number 2. Now I'll just read out stanza number 2. Where did my childhood go? And the question that goes out to be, I'm reading fast because the question is provided to you on the screen. So why did the poet not talk great of grown up people? So these are the question. You'll do it yourself. Why is the poet confused? Third question is, how does the poet find the people in this world? Fine. Now coming to the next extract, that is stanza number 3. That is, when did my childhood go? So I have given you some question and the answer has been provided to you. I'll just read out in a hurry. Explain, my mind was really mine. Okay, it means that the poet was completely in control of himself. Coming to the second question, producing thought that were not those of other people means the poet has gained confidence to express his view independently. Okay, that was the second question. The third question is, which stage of life has been under consideration above? The answer is, the poet is passing through the adulthood. Fine. The fourth question, what thought of the poet are relieved in this poem? In this poem, the poet expressed his individuality. Fine. Now coming to the next extract, that is stanza 4. When did my childhood go? Fine. The question is provided to you on the screen as well as the answer. The first question is, why is the poet eager to know